Hi there, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to add overlay background in Capcut. So for this, I will open the Capcut app. So I added some images here. So for an example, if I go with this image, so if I let me just zoom out. Okay, now we have the background which is black. So we want to add a background overlay here. So for this, simply you need to scroll left and there we have background option. Now it is up to you. You can add color for your background, or you can add images, or you can simply blur the background. So I will add an image here. Click on image. So there you will get some images, or you can go to your gallery by clicking on this icon. So now here you can add an image that you want to add. So let's say we want to add an image from here. So I will go with mm, okay, so I will go with this image here, and as you can see it is set. Okay, now you can place your video over here. In this way you can add overlay background in CapCut. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.